I just put the double elbow smack down on a spike. Cool. Day 2, AM sit. Eric just dropped me off in the old Silverado. Just rolling up on the box blind. Lane to the left, lane to the right. And we're just gonna get settled in. Day 2, morning hunt. On my way in to my stand. Rain is just stopping. Deer should be moving good. See when I get there. All set up, just waiting for daylight now. Only got one lane this morning, so should be better. Not looking all around like crazy. So see when the sun comes up. Day number 2. About 7 a.m. on Friday. The guys did pretty good yesterday. I didn't see a damn thing. I'm hoping things change a little bit today. We got a really heavy wind, so we'll see what happens. Got a beautiful morning. Rain stopped. It was raining pretty heavy. I'll show you this view today. I'm so happy that Joe got some deer yesterday. It's his first trip, so definitely wanted to make sure he got something. He did good though. Eddie got one. John got a nice one. It's my turn. Okay guys, morning 2. Got a nice spot. Just one lane. Don't have to be looking around over my shoulder the whole time, so that's nice. It's about 135 yards deep. It's not too bad of a shot. It's in one of these areas where they logged a couple years ago, so all the undergrowth and small trees are pretty big already, but really thick. Definitely won't see them coming in. So, ready for a doe? Or anything bigger? 6 or bigger. Since I shot the spike yesterday, so good sized doe comes in. Getting it. Here comes the wind too. Getting windy. Alright, morning. Sitting in a box blind. Pretty wooded, thick area. A lot of pines. Shooting lane straight ahead and off to my left shoulder here. A little windy this morning. We'll see what happens.
Waiting for a spot on an angled line. Driving to the outside, wasting my time. Took my place high on a rise. Look at them ants push away their prize. But I'd be free as a bird in a Walmart parking lot. I'm proud to be just who I am. Salute the flag just like Uncle Sam. My Yankee do good without a dime.
It's a little after 8 o'clock. Still haven't seen anything. The wind is pretty wicked this morning still. Just heard a shot in the distance, maybe one of the boys. Just gonna keep chugging along here this morning. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit and something shows up.
Helping out the needy, helping out the poor. They're working for nothing at that patriotic store. But I'll be free as a bird. Mega deal, sell a whole lot more. Can I check your bag? At the door. There's more to plastic than debit.
I had a little thought it was a doe. Come walking in 50 yards. I pulled the gun up on him. He spun his head and I seen 2 little spikes behind his ear. And was getting ready to put the gun back down and looked out a little further at 100 yards and pretty decent sized doe standing there broadside. Unfortunately, I think I had the camera a little bit to the left by the post and didn't realize it, but I definitely heard her crash down. So as soon as the guide gets here, we'll go take a peek for her. Keep you posted.
Well, just have 5 pointers so far. Joe's seen a bunch of deer. John just shot a doe. I think I might have actually got it on camera the last time 5-pointer was in here, because he left, came back. I heard John shoot. I think I hit record already. But Louie hasn't seen a thing since yesterday morning, actually. So, hopefully, he sees something here soon, or this afternoon. It's happened to all of us. A couple sits with nothing. But there's definitely deer. Just gotta be in the right place. Wind is picking up and it's getting cold. Oh yeah, getting windy. It's almost 9 o'clock. Still nothing showed up. Rabbits, squirrels, everything but deer. It's a bit frustrating. Still better than work. A little bit longer. I just put the double elbow smack down on a spike. Cool. Yeah, it broke the ice a little bit. Holy shit. Freaking 2 days of seeing nothing. I had to let loose. His trigger finger was getting really itchy. Oh boy. Alright, well, let me text the boys. That was cool. Day 2 morning. Thank God. Somebody was shooting. Had to be one of our guys. Hopefully Louie. Late in the morning too, 9 o'clock. 5 after. Hopefully it was low. Some good deer tracks too. Obviously it would have been better if I saw more deer, but that's why it's hunting. Nice buck for somebody else to shoot. Or next year. Definitely a nice deer. It was wide. You will see in the footage that I got with the big camera. Looked pretty good. Louie got one now. Everybody in our group is on the board. I think Ralph got one yesterday. I think Mike got one. Vince is next. He's patient though all the time too. They've been coming here for years, so they know there's some big ones around. All right, and I just gotta wait for pickup. This is how they do it. That one year when we were here in the rain, these ditches were overflowing. It was crazy. You have a deer that would go across and go into that, and whoop. Did it find one to lose because of that? How close were we to each other?
Not close.
Not close? Because that buck that I saw looked a lot like the one that you saw.
Yeah.
Not small.
Yeah, which is good, dude. That's
Yeah.
good. You know, I'm not complaining.
It's good you're seeing them your first year.
Well, yeah.
Poor Lou was getting skunked. He took it out on that little spike.
How I look at it, dude, it's meat in the freezer.
Absolutely.
John, where were you sitting, buddy?
Oh, in the back corner.
Really?
So I shot her, she was 105, 110 yards. She blew up, there was blood, and when I tell you, like this pungent red blood.
Yeah.
It was all in a puddle, nothing. I walked the whole, I heard her crash by that last pine tree.
Oh, that's where she crashed?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
So you crashed her over here?
No blood from where I shot her, all the way back there, nothing. I just kept walking past around because I knew I heard her crash at that last pine tree.
Okay.
So I just kept walking around that path, and bam, it's right there. And then I looked and seen the road was right here. I was like, shit.
Perfect.
Dude, I was actually scared to shoot one of them bucks. Probably that size.
No, we're right here. Don't want to drive over that.
That wouldn't be good at all.
Killer.
Up, Sasquatch.
Feel better now?
Oh, so much better. It was his time to go.
It was time to go.
112 yards right to the boiler room.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yours? Is that what that was in the picture? Woo. Who's on the board?
Look at the rack on that thing, huh?
Woo.
You're on the board!
Be nice the old pond get one.
Yeah, I'd love to see that.
Oh, got a big boy.
Oh, yeah.
Another big boy.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.